So after Adinayakanna, we will be presenting Mangalam. All the dancers would come onto the stage and offer their salutations to God, to all the gurus, and to all of you, the audience. Adinayakanna, and the last item would be Mangalam. Thank you.